Hello children. Okay, in our last sem until I we have finished ovals. In this session we will learn about oval O. Once again I'll revise you what are 5 ovals: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, 5 ovals: A, E, I, O, U. In that we have finished A, I, E. Today we are learning O. What is the sound of O? O. Onion. Okay, onion. Okay, O and O. O is the sound of O. O. So, now we will learn some of the words in this. See here, D-O-T dot. Dot andre enu? Dot. Chukki. Okay, D-O-T dot. S-O-B sob. M-O-P mop. Mop andre? Yes, cleaning brush. D-O-G dog. T-O-P top. B-O-X box. R-O-D rod. C-O-P cop. R-O-B rob. Now, some more words. O-X, ox, ox. O-X, ox. J-O-G, jog. What is this? Jog. F-O-X, fox, fox. H-O-T, hot, hot. P-O-T, pot, pot. L-O-G, log. H-O-G, hog. Understood? Try to read this, children, and after reading this we will go to the next page. See here, page number 86. Now look and read. Try to read yourself, children. See, what is this? A. D-O-T dot. Can you see the dot here? Yes. D-O-T dot. O-N on, on. O-N on. T-H-E the. P-O-T pot. What is this? Pot. What is this? Dot. We can see a dot on the pot. That is what they have written. A dot on the pot. Second one. A B-O-Y boy. A boy with W-I-T-H with a T-O-Y toy. A boy with a toy. A B-O-Y boy W-I-T-H with a D-O-G dog. A boy with a dog. A F-O-X fox. F-O-X fox. A-N-D and A-N-D and A-L-O-G log. A fox and a log. Understood? Yes. Now match the correct words. If you read this, you can match this. See, you have all the pictures here only in the behind page, isn't it? So, by seeing them, you can match this. You match yourself for this time. Okay? And after this, complete the missing letters, missing ovals. Here, A, E, I, O. Okay? 4 ovals you have to use and fill this missing. Okay? Missing letters. See, what is this? I'll show you some. What is this? Fox. What is the spelling of fox? See, F, show here. F-O-X, fox, isn't it? See, here, O is missing here. F-O-X, fox. Understood? L-G. What is this? Log. L-O-G, log. In the same way, you have to fill and complete this full page. Okay? Bye children.